Hi, I am Leonard from WP Staging. Today I will show you the first step towards your website by installing WordPress. In this video we install WordPress locally with the tool Local by Flywheel. I will show you that on my computer. There are several scenarios in which installing WordPress locally on your computer is a good idea. For example, if you are a beginner trying out WordPress and want to experiment with it. It also makes sense if you, as a developer, create new designs and plugins in a local server environment. However, in most of the scenarios, it would be even more convenient for you to do it online using WP Staging Pro. With WP Staging Pro, you create a clone of your site called a staging site. This staging site allows you to make necessary adjustments without running the risk of damaging your website. Check out the video in the description if this method might be of interest to you. This video is based on an article we wrote. You can find the link to this article in the video description. Let's start with the local installation of WordPress. We recommend the application Local by Flywheel, short Local. Local by Flywheel is available for Windows, Mac and Linux, and you can download it for free. Local includes everything you need to set up and use local WordPress websites. It's kept simple for beginners, but it also has many advanced features if you want to customize how your local environment works. To download and install Local, visit the Local by Flywheel website and click the free download button. Choose your platform and download the file. After the download, run the installation file. If you receive any prompts during the process, click Yes to allow the installer to do its job. If you do not grant Local the permissions, there may be complications with the WordPress sites afterward. Let's start and create a local WordPress website. To do that, select the option Create New Site in the local dashboard. That takes you to a simple 3-step setup wizard where you first create a name for your site. In the case you want to create several local websites, it makes sense to make them as descriptive as possible. You can always change the name of your site later in these settings. Also, you can expand the Advanced Options tab to configure some optional settings. If you wish, you can set any domain name, suffix and path for your local site. Otherwise, Local will automatically create a directory for storing your site's files. Now select the environment for your local WordPress site. You have two options here. Preferred is good for most beginners, while Custom is useful for developers with more specific needs. In the last step of the setup, create a WordPress username, password and an administrator email address on this screen. It is not necessary to adjust the email address. Congratulations, you have successfully created your local website. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, write them to me in the comment section down below. If you like this little tutorial, it's much appreciated if you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you want to get to know everything about WordPress plugins, themes, development and much more. Thank you for choosing WP Staging and thank you for trusting us.